No copyright, so here's a little cover for this one. And it's only because you're feeling alone. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. It makes me smile. Alright, y'all. To start off in learning this dance, we need to know how to do the heel-toe spin. So you gotta practice those helicopter turns just like this. This next move is sort of a cross between Crazy Legs, kinda, and Susie Q. If you're a tap dancer, probably no one will get that reference, but if you know, you know. Starting with my heels together, I am about to travel to my right. My weight is on my left heel and right toe, and I'm going to move so that my toes are together, traveling to the right. Experiment with your weight shifting, going back to the left and to the right again, and eventually you will get the hang of it. Another move that you need to know for this dance is a sort of variation of Crazy Legs. So instead of staying on my toes the whole time, when I go through the middle, all of my wheels are down. So it's almost like I'm doing Crazy Legs in slow motion and I'm sliding side to side. Alright, let's get into the dance. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So that's the first 8 counts, and that's sort of an intro 8 counts to the real dance. There it is again. And I'll try to count out loud this time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. This right here is the 0 move, which you will also need to learn for this dance. I feel like I look so awkward when I'm just going through the motions. Oh, looks like I'm doing it from different angles. Okay. So next time I will try to remember to film horizontally. Cool, cool. Okay, some different angles so you can see the 0 move. That's one of my favorite moves. Oh, what am I doing? Anyway, moving on. Another move that I do in this dance is a little swaying of the hips and just pushing out my heels as well to help with the momentum. That's a fun one. I also have that was a toe stop turn. So after the swaying move, I go into the backwards toe stop turn, going down on my left toe stop. Just like that. After the toe stop turn, I go into a squat. So here's what this looks like. Go down. Yes. And I'll probably do it a few more times so you can see. Turn and down. Yes. Cool, cool, cool. Next, I go down from the squat into a jump onto my toe stops. And then back down. And then I also add a little bounce in there. So again, that will look like this. Down, out, down, down. Now we're going to go from a squat up to a jump facing the side. So before we face the side, let's just do a squat and then jumping straight up onto all 8 wheels. So toe stop squat and then jumping onto all your wheels. And toe stop squat and jump up, face the side. And now toe stop squat, jump up, put your heel up this time. So my toe is up. When I face the side jumping up, my right toe is facing the ceiling. Jumping to the side. And at the end of this little routine, I do a bunch of these pumping turns, and then I go into the double heel toe spins. Spin, spin. And try one more time. Double spin. 1, 2. Sweet. Good luck. I want to share with you a few moves that I do to get loose and practice my balance before I start skating. I also do this after I'm done with a skate session. So just sort of wiggling my toes and my heels. Do that a few times. It's harder than it looks. And then just stomping around. This really gets out some energy, especially before the skate session. And it just makes me feel silly, so I like it. I do 3 types of spine stretches. This is what I call the twist. Do that a few times before and after I'm skating. I usually spend a little bit more time on it, but just for the purpose of this video, I sped it up a little bit. And now I am about to do forward and back stretch. So I put my heels together, bend my knees a little bit, and lean forward. And now, whatever foot is in front, I put the opposite arm in front and lean back. I'm kind of stealing that from my ballet stretches, but I like it. So now I go the other way, stretching forward and back. You can also hang on to a counter or a table for balance on this. So I did the twist, forward and back, and now we have side to side. So with my arms out, I stretch my sides. Always stretch your body before and after skating and have fun.